Ta uria ukuona aciari ni makorirwo magiteng'era kuria Hillside Endarasha Academy ni kaunti ya Nyeri constituency ya Kieni thutha wa mwaki gukorwo gituthuka utuku wa gukia umuthi. Kuringana na reports, arutwo 17 ni matete mioyo yao kumana na injuries cia mwaki ucio. 14 pupils ni makorwo magiteng'erio thibitari for emergency treatment, na President William Ruto ni akorwo akirelease ndumiriri an official statement regarding the fire incident, kuria riu athite honge itiganite ciihike uthuthuria mutino ucio wa mwaki thukuru-ini ucio wa Hillside Academy. Na KDP Rigathi Gachagua, who comes from county iyo ya Nyeri, akorwo akiaria na kiha kiingi muno akiuga, I have learned with deep sadness the tragic death of pupils of Hillside Endarasha Academy in a fire incident kuria Kieni constituency county ya Nyeri. DP Gachagua agithie na mbere gutariria ati ni akorwo akinyitukio ni ndeto icio na ni akunyitanira na families na ginyagia cukuru ucio and the rest of the country in mourning this young departed soul. Jabi Wajau wa Inooro TV auma among the Kenyans aria monania ruo na kiha kiao after learning about the incident, akiuga woi mwathani, no parents deserve this. My heart goes out to all parents with students at Hillside Endarasha. Ni ndeto iria irathi na mbere gukunuka guku bururi-ini, ndeto ya kiha muno, tugituma pole citu kuri aciari aria ciana ciao ithomagira thukuru ucio. Tucemanie in our next one.